Hi, and welcome back to my series on using Microsoft PowerPoint with NVDA. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to run slideshow on a slide deck that I already made few days ago. And as we all know, uh, when we present a specific topic or a particular topic in to our audience in either online or in-person format, we need to run the slideshow and project our slides on an external projector. So it's very essential that we know how to run the slideshow. And now we're going to uh, move to the demonstration of running the slideshow. I'm going to open a presentation that I already made a few days ago.
Covision PH 5MP.
It's a presentation on Braille contractions. So I'm going to press B.
Braille contractions part A.
Okay, and I'm going to press enter to open this presentation.
Waiting for PowerPoint. Braille contractions part 8. PowerPoint. Slide 1. Braille contractions part 8. Lower.
So NVDA reported the title of this presentation as well as some details. Now, once a PowerPoint is activated or is open, the normal view or the slide view presents a main slide on the center of our screen and the thumbnails at the left side of our screen. But when we run the slideshow, what happens is a slide, particularly the first slide, will cover the entire screen. So the other thing on our screen, the other parts, the other sections will be hidden. So what we can see, or what the audience can see, and what appears on the projector and on our PC will just be the full view of our slide or the slide being zoomed in. So a keyboard shortcut on running the slideshow is by pressing the F5 key. So that's one of the keys on our function, one of the function keys. No? The F5 is one of the function keys. It's on the top row of our keyboard. So let me press F5 and let us check what happens.
Slideshow. Slide 1. Braille contractions part 8. Lower contractions. Lower Groutsons in any part.
Okay, so when we press F5, what happens is that we run the slideshow and we start from the first slide. Now, regardless where we are on our slide deck, what happens is that when we run the slideshow, we always start on slide 1. So if we are at the start, in the middle, or at the end of our slides or the presentation, when we press F5, we go back or we start the slideshow on the first slide. When we want to move to the next slide, we have three keyboard shortcuts we can use, keyboard keys. These are the space bar key. So if I press a space bar,
Slideshow. Slide 2. N-5.
now I am on slide 2. So from slide 1, I am now on slide 2. Another key or another key that we can use is the enter key. So I press now the enter key.
Slideshow. Slide 3. These two lower Groutsons may be used in any part of a
Okay.
word.
So I'm now on slide 3, and the next key is the page down key. So essentially these three keys are uh, or have the same function. These three keys have the same function. So let me press the page down key.
Slideshow. Slide 4. Examples. Examples.
Okay, so I'm now on slide 4. So yeah, you may use the space bar, the enter key, or the page down key. So either of these three keys can bring you to the next slide. If you want to go back by one slide, or you want to go back several slides, you can make use of the counterparts. So for yeah, we can go back by pressing the page up. So let me use the page up. I'm now on page slide 4, and if I press the page up, I should be on slide 3.
Slideshow, slide 3. These two low.
Okay, indeed, I'm now on slide 3, and the other key that we can use is uh, the backspace key. So let me press the backspace key.
Slideshow, slide 2. N-5 dots.
Okay, so these keys can bring us to the next slide, or bring us backward to the previous slides. Now, another thing that we can do when we run the slideshow for us who are screen reader users is to read the contents of the slide. So, say I want, okay, let me go to a particular slide with several contents, no? So I'm going to press page down.
Slideshow, slide 3. These.
Okay, say yeah, next slide.
Slideshow, slide 4. Examples, examples.
Okay, so here uh, this is a slide with a title and contents. Okay, so if I wish to read this from top to bottom, I can make use of the arrow keys, or yeah, navigation keys. The arrow keys, you can press page down.
N deny gentlemen. 5DD5YG.
I can also make use of yeah, the other navigation key. I can go back to the top of the slide by pressing Control Home.
Examples.
Okay, so NVDA reported the title of this slide. It said examples. Now, if I want to read from top going down, I can make use of the shortcut keys. It's NVDA plus the A, or plus letter A.
Examples N deny gentlemen 5DD5YG5 Clem 5 in.
So it reads from top going down. So NVDA plus A if we have set our keyboard layout to laptop. But if it's desktop, then we can make use of the NVDA plus the down arrow key. Okay, so what else? Yeah, basically that's how we navigate through. We can also make use of the the arrow key left and right, and control left, control right if we want to read by word.
In. Winter. Spin. 9N.
Okay, so that's it. And if we want to exit from the slideshow uh, mode, we can just press the escape key. Okay, to press escape.
Braille contractions part 8. PowerPoint.
Okay, I'm now back on the editing mode uh, of the presentation. And this is the normal view. And say I wish to start running the slideshow from slide 7. So let me go to slide 7.
Slide 5. Choice of. Slide 6. Examples. Slide 7. Slide view.
Do I make use of the F5? No, because if I use the F5, I will start from slide 1. So what I can use is Shift. I can pair F5 with another modifier key, which is the Shift key. So if I press Shift, hold on the Shift key, and then press F5, this is what happens.
Slideshow. Slide 7. But the in contraction.
Okay, so my slideshow starts at slide 7. So it does not start from slide 1. So basically, this is just a short video on running the slideshow. And if you have some questions, feel free to write them on the comment. And if you wish to, if you want me to feature other topics for uh, tutorial videos, then kindly write it down on the comment of this video. So with this, I'd like to say thank you and God bless us all.
Braille Collision P Ops 28. Start. Stop recording checkbox checked.